Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to download the GOTYME mobile app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for GOTYME, which is spelled GOTYME, and install it on your phone. Once it's installed, open the app and you're ready to move forward. Step 2. Create your account by tapping the Sign Up button and entering your basic information. You'll need a valid email address and a strong password. Make sure to verify your email by clicking the link they send you. This step is crucial because you can't access your referral code without a verified account. Step 3. Complete your identity verification, which is a quick process. Take a photo of your government-issued ID, like your driver's license or passport, and follow the on-screen prompts. The app uses advanced security to verify your information within minutes. Step 4. Navigate to your profile section by tapping the account or profile icon in the app. Look for a section labeled Referrals or Rewards. This is where GOTYME displays your unique referral code. You'll see a string of numbers and letters that belong only to you. Step 5. Share your referral code with friends and family through text, email, or social media. When they sign up using your code, you both get rewarded. Keep track of who you've shared it with so you can follow up on their progress and maximize your referral bonuses throughout 2026.